guys! Did you know that Australia has very special mammals that can only be found in this country? I've got a special little book that shows some of them. A lot of these mammals like to hide, so we have to look really hard for them. Shall we have a read? What Aussie Mammal Am I? By Dana Mitchell. Let's take a look. I live in tunnels underground. I eat plants and grasses all around. I dig big burrows where I stay and only come out at night to play. What mammal am I? Can see a frog and a butterfly. But who is hiding under here? A wombat. There's his big burrow. I live in the bush, but not in the towns. I mostly eat grass and love to bound. I stay in large mobs in the wild, and a joey is what I call my child. What mammal am I? Shall we take a look? A kangaroo. 1, 2, 3. I like to live at the tops of trees, and I only eat eucalyptus leaves. I have a black nose and like to doze. What mammal am I? I think you know this one. Let's see who the birds are looking at up in the tree. That's right, a koala. I live anywhere that my food is found. I eat ants and termites from their mounds. I have lots of spines that are called quills. My cousins lay eggs and have bills. What mammal am I? Let's see. An echidna. I am found in Tasmania, in the forest. I hunt and eat meat as I like it the best. I am mostly black and have white marks, and I make a loud screech like a bark. What mammal am I? A Tasmanian devil. I live near fresh water that's cold and clean. I eat worms and shrimps and small fish that I see. I have a flipper-like tail and a duck-like bill, and my closest cousins have spiky quills. What mammal am I? There's lots of creatures here. And crayfish and fish and a kookaburra. But let's see who's hiding behind here. A platypus. I live in the waters of the southeast. Squid, fish and crabs are my favourite feast. My warm furry coat covers my skin, and my big flippers help me to swim. What mammal am I? I wonder if you know. Can you guess? Let's see. An Australian fur seal. I like to climb in and out of trees. I eat fruit and flowers, vegetables and leaves. I use my tail to hold onto a branch and eat anything I can when I have the chance. What mammal am I? You can see the bat and the owl, but who is hiding here? A possum and his other possum friend up here. Look at their gorgeous curly fluffy tail. I live in the desert where I feed. I eat bugs and plants and fruit and seeds. I am small, but my ears are big, and I really, really love to dig. What mammal am I? See a lizard and a frog and a butterfly. Who's hiding here though? Bilby! Look at their long ears. I live up high and hang in caves and trees. I eat insects, fruit, and small birds when I please. I use my sonar to find my way at night. I try my best to stay out of the light. What mammal am I? Can you guess? A bat. 1, 2, 3 flying high. And can you see these ones hanging from the branch, upside down? Here's all of our creatures, our platypus, our fur seal, possum, bilby and bat. And over here, a wombat, kangaroo, koala, echidna and Tasmanian devil. And that's the end of the story. You might like to play the What Am I game at home. You need to find mum or dad or a brother or sister, or maybe you can give someone a call on the phone, grandma or grandpa, someone else in your family or a friend. And they have to guess what animal you are. So you have to think of one really hard in your head and then give some clues. It might be what colour it is, where it lives, what it eats, maybe the sounds it makes. Think about what clues you could give away. Just slowly, one clue at a time, and see if they can guess. Let's have a practice, shall we? What am I? I am brown and grey. I'm really good at camouflage when I lie on the leaf litter on the ground or sunbake on a log. I have 4 legs and a long tail. I live at base camp at Pottsville and I'm quite friendly. Do you know who I am? Yes, the water dragon lizard. Lucy the lizard we call her.